Will Bitcoin price hit $250,000 by Q1 of 2023 despite consolidation? Well, Tim Draper believes so. We're going to be talking about that in today's video. We're also going to be talking about the Bitcoin price action. As you can see right now, there is a horizontal triangle forming, and I do believe a breakout is imminent, is going to happen. And we'll talk about the possibilities of a bullish breakout as well as a bearish breakout and what those levels will look like. And in other crypto news, we'll be talking about the no-deal Brexit, which will reposition Bitcoin in the global economy. Will Bitcoin become a safe haven during these economic challenges? And Crypto Insider warns 40,000 Bitcoin could flood the market as India reportedly mulls the Bitcoin ban. And if you find that interesting, pay close attention to today's video. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I release a new episode every day, and all you need to do is click the subscribe button and then click the bell to get notified of the latest cryptocurrency news. And as always, I appreciate the comments. With that being said, let's get right into it, shall we? Bitcoin price can still hit $250,000, but its status as a safe haven asset could see investors waiting a little longer than planned. Serial venture capitalist investor Tim Draper says people have consolidated towards Bitcoin. Speaking in an interview with Yahoo Finance on August 9th, the notoriously bullish Draper doubled down on his prediction that Bitcoin will hit $250,000 by 2023. Due to current trends, however, there might be a slight delay to the giant price tag becoming reality. It's consolidated more than I thought it would, he told the network. He added, I thought there may be more competitors at this point that were really relevant, but people have consolidated towards Bitcoin because it's decentralized. And that's a big factor. There's a lot of different cryptocurrency coins, and many of them claim to be decentralized, but the only true decentralized coin is Bitcoin. Right? Draper's well known for his Bitcoin price prediction, something he has repeated multiple times over the years. Now he considers a likely time frame for the prophecy fulfilling itself as somewhere in the next 4 years. And who knows the possibilities? I believe Bitcoin has the potential to hit $250,000 within the next 2 years. You know what I mean? But he says $250,000 by 2022. I'm hedging a little, maybe Q1 of 2023, he said. Bitcoin increasingly attractive amid economic uncertainty. As Cointelegraph reported, the consolidation Draper spoke of has seen wider support this week as the fallout from instability in China spurs what many commentators are describing as a flight into Bitcoin. And in other news, if Bitcoin doesn't hit $1 million by the end of 2020, mogul John McAfee says he will eat his own penis.
You stirred up some controversy saying, of course, a $1 million Bitcoin by 2020 or else you're going to eat your dick.
Right.
Okay, so hypothetically, if it doesn't reach a million by 2020, how would you cook your dick?
All right, now let's get into the Bitcoin price action. As you can see, we do have a horizontal triangle with 1, 2, 3 points of contact on the high side, with the high being about the $12,200 mark. That has been a strong resistance. We've broken above $12,000 a few times, but then it dumps right after. So on the lows, we do have a couple points of contact, and the low has been about the $11,200 range. So we've been ranging $1,000 volatility in a single day. Now, I do feel we're going to have a breakout either on the upside or the downside. I'm leaning more on the bullish side based upon this chart. We do have a strong support at the $11,500 mark as well as the $11,750 mark. And for things to remain bullish, I want to see it break above that critical 12K level and then go and close above the $12,200 level. Then I feel very optimistic that we will surpass 13K and 14K, creating a new all-time high for the year. All right, to other news, some analysts believe that the looming no-deal Brexit will push Bitcoin price to an unprecedented breakout and record highs in 2019. Woohoo! Woo! Brexit already causing market turmoil? I'd say so. The prospect of a no-deal Brexit has already caused the pound sterling to lose value against other major currencies, increasingly so since the appointment of confirmed Brexiteer Boris Johnson as UK Prime Minister. Johnson vowed that the UK will do or die, leave the European Union on October 31st, 2019. Interesting, he chose Halloween, and that's just next month. That's right around the corner. Not only will a no-deal departure from the EU create turmoil and volatility across two major fiat currencies, it'll also trigger an identity crisis for the global system as the contingency and vulnerability of major global fiat currencies is laid bare. This, some say, will preempt a capital flight to Bitcoin as a safe haven asset, causing prices to spike dramatically. I'm a firm believer of that. The more financial turmoil and the more political upheaval and the more drama and the more trade wars going on inside the economy, Bitcoin is just looking like the perfect safe haven to protect your money. Come 2020, we expect an increasingly populist and politically unstable world to cement the safe haven status of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies more generally, he said. And if the central banks revert to ramping up money printing all over again, the case for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, whose supply is capped, will be further reinforced. We have a limited supply of 21 million. Nigel Green, the CEO of financial advisory giant DeVere, has previously claimed that crypto-friendly regulation could be a lifeline for the post-Brexit UK. Now let's get into the big news in India with the 40,000 Bitcoin, which could be flooding the market. The CEO of ZebPay, formerly the largest cryptocurrency exchange in India, before it was forced to relocate last year amidst the country's widespread crypto crackdown, is warning that nearly $500 million in Bitcoin could hit the market if a ban approved in India, according to a new report. Last month, an Indian lawyer who specializes in blockchain leaked a draft bill calling banning of cryptocurrency and regulation of official digital currencies, which is allegedly being considered by lawmakers in the country. The document states that no person shall mine, generate, hold, sell, deal in, issue, transfer, dispose of, or use cryptocurrency in the territory of India. The fintech-focused outlet Mickey reports that ZebPay CEO Ajit Karuna believes if the bill were to pass, it could trigger a sell-off of 40,000 Bitcoins, which is worth about $477 million at this time. ZebPay accounted for 2/3 of all crypto trading volume in India, and based on his knowledge, Karuna estimates the total amount of legitimate Bitcoin and light pools in India to be around 40,000, with an unknown amount, perhaps another 20,000 Bitcoin in black market dark pools. He says the total value of other cryptos in India would be about 1.5 times that of Bitcoin. This would also hit markets in the event of a ban. Krana says the sell-off would likely happen over the course of a few months, which could mitigate the impact of the price of BTC. So if that is the case, and we're talking about double of that, but spread across 90 days, it may not do much because of the sheer volume and may have a dampening effect on the mood. I think the market has the capacity to absorb a few thousand per day without slippage. Well, that's good news. All right, now let's take a quick look at the crypto market and just see where things are at. Bitcoin is in the green, about 0.5%, currently trading at $11,783, and the rest of the crypto market is pretty bloody, as you can see. As Bitcoin dominance continues to rise, Bitcoin is just absorbing all of that value in the crypto market as people are trading their altcoins for Bitcoin. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe, then click the bell to get notified. And as always, I appreciate all of your comments. And in the description, you're going to see a link, which is my referral partner link to Bybit, which is an exchange where you can trade long or short Bitcoin with leverage. And by using my referral link, if you deposit 0.2 Bitcoin, you will receive a $110 free trading bonus at the time of shooting this video. So take advantage of the special offer, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Peace.